Okay, we're out in the garage now. This is Bruce again, and gonna work on putting the LED replacement headlight in my 2019 Platinum SHO. I've removed the two screws, which are 8mm screws, from behind the control panel. They're kind of difficult to get at. I used a flexible 1/4-inch drive to get back in there and turn them off. One of them is kind of easy to get at, the other one's kind of difficult. So we're going to pop the headlight out now, which is what we're doing right now. And then we take the and it's slowly coming. I'm guessing it's grommeted in here somehow, which is making it a little bit more stubborn. And I just don't have enough. Hands to get it started. So I'll tell you what we'll do is we'll take the bulb out and we'll work on it from there. I got one corner up, the other corner up, and there we go. And we'll lay that old bulb there, and we take the new headlight and connect push it together, just like that. And let's see, I'm guessing it goes this direction, like thus and such. And all we have to do is take those 8mm screws and go around on the back side and get one of those started, which may be easier said than done. And then the other one, and we should be all set to go. You get at. The other one is kind of a son of a gun. You almost have to go through the cable, or between the cable and the bracket for the chute control to get at it and tighten it up. And then it's still difficult because there's a kind of an odd twist to it. An articulator might work well when once you get it started. Okay, got that one going. Started there. This one, let's see. There's another screw. And it's important in the directions. It says don't over tighten, so I'm just snugging them up. And basically, I think I got it in there now. Feels pretty good. I've got the wires routed as it says in the directions. Be careful where you route the wires, that they don't get caught in any of the controls or rods. It's fairly easy to do. Like I said, one of these two screws is a little tougher to get at than the other one. One is a breeze, the other one is kind of a son of a gun. All right. So we're up and we're in business. We've got the headlight installed. I've got it secured. I haven't started the Platinum SHO 24-inch yet this year. I put some gas in it before I started up the camera. So tell you what, I will shut the camera off and open the garage door and roll it out in the driveway, and we'll try starting it up and we'll see how the light works. Okay, well, let's see how we do here. It's been a while since the old Platinum SHO has been out. To get started, check the oil. The oil looks good, nice and clean from last fall yet. Turn the fuel on. Turn the ignition on. Let's see what's on. Rabbit. Choke is on. So 1, 2, 3. You know, when I got this, I started using no alcohol fuel. I pick it up north at the gas station. It's premium 91 octane, and I started putting it in here, in my lawnmower, and all my small engines. And it's incredible how much easier it starts. You know, you don't have that ethanol evaporating in there and sucking in all that moisture and wrecking your carburetor. And this is a carbureted machine, so I didn't want the EFI. I was just afraid of the technology. I didn't think it was proven enough yet, but just first pull, sat all, you know, somewhere in the garage. Of course, it wasn't closed, but always make sure before you start it for the first time every year, check your oil. I had a friend that had a lawnmower and didn't do that. The oil had drained out of it in the shed with the dirt floor, and he didn't know it, and he started it up and wrecked his lawnmower. So always be careful of that. But I'll start it up again, and then I'll swing the camera around the front so you can see what that new headlight looks like. Okay, so I got her going. I'm going to drive over to see the LED light on it. It looks brighter than the old light used to look. Put it down a little bit here. Pretty straightforward putting the LED headlight in. Let's see what it looks like here in the dash. I'll turn it sideways so further away, give you a close-up of it. Seems to generate more light than the old halogen bulb did, but I don't know. I'll find out when I take it out in the dark in the first snowstorm of the year. Fairly easy installation. Pop the old one out, pop the connections apart, put the new one in. It's a matter of taking 2 screws out, putting them back in. One screw is a little bit more difficult to get than the other one, but it's something that just about anybody should be able to do. I'd rather do it in warmer weather than colder weather, though, because you're going to need 2 bare hands to be able to handle the screws in the tool, things like that. So, again, disclaimer: I don't work for Ariens or any of its companies or anything like that, and I just like their snowblowers. I think they do a great job, and I've been very satisfied with the Platinum SHO. And you know, work with the snowblowers out in the snow. Just take a look at any of my videos if you're considering purchasing one or you're looking for something that compare to what you have. All right, have a great day.